Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. See lovely moments, BBNaija Mercy meets Cherry of Ultimate Love for the first time. For the first time since evicted out of the Ultimate Love reality TV show alongside her paired partner Michael, the Imo State-born Cherry Osigwe meets with her sister from another mother, Mercy Ike. In a video shared by Mercy's dedicated fan on microblogging platform Twitter, it shows the lovely moment Cherry was spotted hugging and kissing Mercy. And also, Mercy's bestie Diane was spotted sitting and enjoying the music being played in the background. Meanwhile, Cherry's first meeting with Big Brother Naija Season 4 winner came a week after she was checked out of the Ultimate Love reality TV show with her partner, Michael Ngene, who was paired with her as Miss Cherry. Alright guys, stay tuned to my channel to get more updates, more entertainment updates, more updates on Ultimate Love, your favorite reality TV show. If you're a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.